siyang hair straightening. Ayan. Order ko siya, guys. And then, kadadating lang niya. So, maganda siya pang straighten hair. So, unbox natin siya. Ayan na siya, guys. Yun yung pinaka-actual na pictures niya. Actual na photos niya. Ayan. Diba? Maganda siya pang madaling gamitin. Very easy. And very quick. Ayan. Hope you like it, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and my video. And see you on my next video, guys. God bless you and see you on December 14. Also, I have a grand raffle, birthday grand raffle celebrations, guys. I hope you are there. Attend to my birthday party. Come and join me to my special day. God bless you, everyone. Ayan. Try nyo po siyang gamitin and then maganda po siyang product. Yes. Have a safe, everyone. God bless you, everyone. Thank you. And hope try nyo po siyang gamitin sa inyo. And then, no need na to go to salon. Ayan. It's easy. Thank you, guys.